Hi, Darren Gebert here with 345 Auction. How are you? And welcome to 2024, brand new year, and we have a very fun auction coming up on the 11th of January, which is a Thursday. The auction goes off at 7 p.m. And I would like to show you a couple of fun items that we have coming up. This is what's called a stamper or a ticket canceller. Specifically, this one was used in the railroad industry, and it was used in Pueblo. It has, in fact, a little card here, a stamp that is from the Pueblo Depot, Pueblo Union Depot in Pueblo, Colorado. That was here. It is an Aurora dater, and it's in excellent condition. It even has the cork top on the handle. I don't want to stamp it because it's fairly delicate at this point. But this is going to be coming up for auction. The auction is actually live, and I will put a link to this particular lot in the description for the video so that you can see it. It is really quite astonishing in terms of its condition, considering all of the use it probably went through. But it has all these wonderful dials. The dials turn, everything works on it. That's coming up for auction again on Thursday, January 11th. Now we have a lot of knives coming up in this particular auction, but I want to draw your attention to three of them specifically. These are knives from an artist and metal worker who works in metal, I guess I should say. Let me rearrange these. His name is Curtis Green. He lives in Chama, New Mexico. And what I love about these knives is that they feel like good knives. We get so many knives through here that, at least to me, and I worked in restaurants professionally for a long, long time, and I probably have spent a few $1,000s at least on knives in the course of my career. And a lot of these knives were, a lot of the knives that I had were high carbon steel, not the stainless stuff, not with all of the chromium. And this knife particularly, when I first took it out of its sheath and I was going to photograph it, I put my hand on the blade and I thought to myself, this is exactly what a knife should feel like. All of my favorite knives, and I have three of them, all of my favorite knives are high carbon steel, just like this. Now, when I looked Curtis Green up online, and his place is in Chama, his smithy is in Chama, New Mexico. When I looked him up online, the metal that he uses is repurposed, and a lot of times, from what I saw, and this of course is a railroad spike, but he uses metal that has a high carbon percentage to it, and a lot of them are springs from old automobiles, which I find very interesting. They're beautifully made, and they feel good in the hands. And like I said, the feel of the metal is something that I think is extraordinary, because this is exactly what a knife should feel like. So if you would like to bid on any of these, what you will need to do, if you've never bid with 345auction.com, is go to the website. Again, I will put a link in the description to the video. Go to the website, register, and once you've registered, you can bid in any future 345 auction, and register. Give us a little bit of information about where you are, and I think also a credit card. All of it is, all of it is secure. I shouldn't do that because this is a razor sharp blade. Anyway, go to the website, register, look at these knives, lots of good pictures, very high quality pictures. You can see that there is a G for Green. He's stamped them all, so it's authentic. And if you are a knife aficionado, this is going to be a good year for you, or at least a good auction for you. And I hope that 2024 is a good year. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.